to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Russia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened MFA Russia Consular Department website. Okay. Now, first of all, they have given some basic information that you should definitely take a look at because not all nationalities are eligible as of now. But again, it's up to their government. They can always add and remove nationalities eligible for this kind of application. So first of all, which countries are eligible? So if you click on this, you can see. So if you are a citizen of one of these countries, India is there. Wow, good. Okay. So they have like terms, condition. Then you need to click off. So first you need to create your account. Okay. If you already have a login, you can log in. If you don't have, you need to register. So put your email, password, confirm password, and then uh, you have to confirm the captcha and next. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna okay guys. So the way it works is like after you complete that step where you put your email address and password and you try to create an account, the system sends an email, a verification mail you can say, to your email account. There is a link you have to click on to confirm your account and then you come here. So you can always change your profile, but when you come here, if you want to apply, you can click to apply for a new visa, e-visa. Uh, You should save it, okay? Because later on it could be required. So it's always better to take a screen print or something that you can save it, okay? So next is to upload your photo, okay? And then you have to go to the next stage, total 7 stages. So I'm gonna see you in the next stage. Okay, guys, so after that photo, you need to select your nationality. Again, it will only show uh, the nationalities, those who are eligible for this type of passport. So I just select passport at normal. Photo of your biodata page. They have given a sample also. Okay. Then you have to put passport details. Okay. Passport number, date of issue, date of expiry, issuing authority, surname, given name, surname. If you don't have a surname, you're going to check this box. If you don't have a given name, you have to check this box. Gender, date of birth, country of birth, if where you born in USSR or in the Russian Federation, place of birth, personal identification. Do you have have you ever had any other personal data that you need to put? Do you have dual nationality that you need to select? National other nationality, I select. Then I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. That's the purpose of trip. I select tourism, description, whatever it is, like you're going for a tourism, what you're gonna do, and other plans, definitely describe. Date of entry, let's say which organization person you are going to visit. I just select organization or individual. If I say individual, let's say you are going to visit National Museum, provide its address, other details, phone number. Maximum. Where are you planning to stay? Okay, if you have already booked the hotel, you should know. Address, name, address, phone number. Do you have valid Russian visa? I select no. You have health insurance? I select yes. Then it's asking health insurance company name, policy number, start it. Source of funds, independent. Have you visited any countries in last 3 years? I select no, but if you have, definitely. Family status, I select single. Do you have father? I select yes. Father's surname, father's given name, father's date of birth. Wow, so many questions. Father's place and country of birth. Date of birth. Mother, yes. Mother's name, given name, date of birth. Mother's place and country. When you have relatives in Russia, select no. Do you currently have a place of actual residence? Yes. Address. What proper address? Phone number. Then your email. Do you currently own real estate? I select no. Social network messengers. I select. Definitely you will have, right? Name of the social network messenger. But for the purpose of this video, I select no. Do you work? Yes. Let's say you work now. We'll now provide you full details of the work, positions, employer address, work telephone, work email. Also, they have asked. Wow. Have you studied university other than high school? I select yes. Wow. Name. Okay, it's education institution. So I'll just say Delhi IT College. Address, provide address, whatever it is in your case. You can add more also. To represent interest on behalf of non-commercial international. I select no. Emphasis special training tools, special and not in use of weapon, explosive, nuclear, biological. Wow. Have you completed military service? I select no. Involved in armed conflicts? I select no. Have you been prosecuted for any crime? I select no. Have you done correct illegal activity? A political activity? I select no. Additional information, whatever you want to do. So here you're gonna take a look at your application, and once you have to check all the like this is a review page. You can edit it here, or if you're a this is the pay page, you need to check all the check boxes and click on pay. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but this is how it works. Okay. So let me know what you think about it, and if it is approved, we're all good to go. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.